So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a background from an image using the Affinity Software Studio. So let this load up and let's jump right into it. Okay, so I'll go to my file manager and downloaded an image here I want to use to illustrate what I mean. So I'll just right click on the image and I will left click on Affinity and let's see, wait for this to load up. Okay, so it's going to open in the Pixel Studio because it's a raster image. Okay, so in order to remove the background from the image, we are to use brush tool. This is going to be one of the method. As time goes on, I will reveal more methods for you to remove background from your image. Okay, so I'll click on selection brush. Okay, then I will increase the width from this panel here to, let's say, 41 or 40 is okay. Then I'll click on my control on my keyboard or command with my scroll wheel on my mouse. Then I'll place it on the object I want to leave, the image itself. So I'll use my scroll wheel and select the portion I don't want to remove. Okay, so let's do this. So just like that. I think it has picked everything already. Just look at the edges. Don't worry about the edges. We are going to fine-tune the edges with a method in Affinity. So yeah, I think we are good to go here. Make sure everything is well selected. So if you come up here, you see a refine button at the top. Okay, if you see a refine button at the top, let's put this together. Then when you click on the refine button, it's going to bring a panel for you to refine the edges. So by refining edges, your brush tool will still be active. So what you do here is to use the brush tool to go over the edges you think needs to be refined. So let's see what it's going to do. Allow Affinity will do the rest for you. Okay, so let's see this in just a few seconds, and you see what it's going to give to us. See, it has removed those rough edges. So I can also do for this one. I think there's still a rough edge here. Okay, then this edge where we have here, do a little bit of refinement there. So yeah, we are good to go, guys. We are good to go. So once that is done, I'll click on the panel that has to do refine selection. I'll click on max. Okay, then I'll click on apply to automatically remove it. Now if you notice very well, there is still some objects here. So what I will do, I'll click on the maxed layer, then I'll come here and click on the is it the paintbrush? Yes, I'll click on the paintbrush again. Then once I click on the paintbrush, I'll clean the edges that are not needed on the background. Okay, so that's what you do. Just look for things you think they are obstructing the transparent background. Once you are done with that, you are good to go to export your image. Okay, so let's export this out. Come to file and click on export. Then let's go with this. So I'll just click on export image. You can leave it like this, and yeah, let's do this. let me see, exported image. Okay, so let's put it in the download tutorial here. Let's save it here. So if you go back to your file, you will see that you can see that there are still some spots. Okay, so when you are doing yours, just use the paintbrush to clean that up. Okay, so I think we are good to go, and thank you. Watch out for next video. Okay, and ensure to subscribe to our channel for more updates.